Hi guys, welcome to my mom's kitchen, Casina Corner. Today we will be making our favorite smooth and creamy lecheflan. Ingredients is also listed down on the description box, so let's start. To make the caramel, you have to set stove in low heat. Place your flan molder and add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Using a thong, lift your molder and shaking your sugar a bit. Do this process until your sugar dissolves or caramelized. Just like this. Your caramel is ready now, and you can set this aside and start making our flan mixture. Here's what we need to make our flan mixture. 10 egg yolk, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can condensed milk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. In a bowl, add your evaporated milk to the egg yolk and gently mix it. You can now add your 1 can condensed milk. Gently whisk your mixture using spatula or whisk. Take note that it's much easier to use the whisk. Don't worry about the bubbles, as we will strain this later. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Followed by a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then gently whisk your flan mixture till everything is well combined. Now this flan mixture is ready. Strain your mixture on a different bowl for a much smoother flan. Do this process 2 to 3 times. Add your flan mixture to your flan molder. Make sure that your caramel has cooled down. Now cover your flan molder with foil. Place your flan onto the steamer and steam for 35 to 40 minutes. Now it's all done. Remove flan from the steamer. Place in a cooling rack and let it cool down for 10 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Best served when it's chilled. Thank you for watching. Please fire us some likes and don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. Hope you give this a try. It's creamy, smooth, and super yummy.